great faith. You cannot impress God with your riches or skill, but He loves to see your faith. And next up, Jesus moves on to a town called Nain, and just as He approaches the
Oh, yo, was that Hitoshi Shinso? Purple hair guy?
I don't know. Battle Festival or whatever the fuck it was called. And second Tomoe allows the user to essentially keep up with them, so you'd be able to copy their movements and everything. Even their chakra network, you'd be able to see how internally everything moved too.
Yo, just a fucking take it on grave. Got to get your own way. I'm the Billy Goat. You ain't never made a list. Next to no way, no chain. Next to Taylor Swift. And that Iggy Ho. About to really flow. Jelly, let me put your name. Next to John, next to Benzino.
Germany's efforts to arrest Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. The rest of the day's news.
This podcast is brought to you by the Live Press. Cyber criminals are constantly attacking. They want your data, they want your identity, they want your innovation. The Live